In this video, we are going to see how we can book the direct sales in Teddy Prime. As you can see here, on 14th of January, it says sales made of following items to Mr. Justin. And we are selling them on credit, all of these items. So let's see how we can deal with this in Teddy. First of all, we want to switch to the main screen, that is Gateway of Teddy. And from Gateway of Teddy, I'll just choose vouchers in the transaction section. And we are currently on some other document, that is sales order. If you want to switch to any other vouchers, on the right hand side we have the option. So let's switch to sales. The party name is Mr. Justin. I can simply write Justin here. And dispatch details, we don't have any further dispatch details, so I'll just exit out of this. Hit enter, enter and enter. Sales ledger, I'll select sales. I've already created this. And the configuration is pretty simple. If we even want to edit this directly from here, I'll just press Control Enter. I'm not going to alter this, but I'm just going to show you that if you want to create the sales ledger for the first time, you just need to press Alternate C to enter in the create mode. Right here, sales, select sales account, and that's pretty much it. Click Control A to save. And now let's start entering the items. The first item is Corolla windscreen. It's not against any order number, so I'll just click not applicable. It's a direct sale. Quantity is 25, rate is 560. This makes the total to 14,000. End of list. Just remember that you every time select end of list, move to the main screen and then hit enter. Go on the second line, and now we can enter the next item. That is Civic headlights. Order is not applicable. Quantity is 15, rate is 210, and this makes the total to 3150. End of list. Go to the third line, and the next item is Prius filters. Not applicable. Quantity is 10, rate is 70, and this makes the total to 700. Hit enter and end of list. Hit enter again, and this is the new reference. You can mention any reference number here if applicable. So this is the total. Move to the narration, and you can copy and paste the narration from here. And that's pretty much it. Press Control A. And if you want to see the entry, you just move to the Gateway of Tally. Just go to display more reports, click on daybook, and there you can see all the entries. If not, on the right hand side, we have the option to switch or set the period. Go to the period. From 1st of January till 31st January, you can set the period and check your relevant entry. And if you want to edit that, just double click to go in that entry. So that's how you can book it. Just try this by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.